The Minister of Local Government and Public Works, Daniel Garwes, assured the traders at Glenview Area 8 SMEs complex in Harare that the government will begin building proper infrastructure there in September this year. Sarapena mashoko anobuda panguva inochonoka government inopleja to rebuild Glenview Area 8 panguva ine kutanga September uno. Totibwa subscribe like on the bell icon. Tibila mnavizere mudonge pamchinzi. Garwe made the remarks during a visit to the home industries on Monday, 28 July, accompanied by the Minister of Women Affairs, Community, Smaller and Medium Enterprise Development, Monica Mnangagwa, following a fire that gutted the complex on Sunday morning. The blast destroyed trading stores, leaving only charred remains and putting hundreds of livelihoods in jeopardy, said Garwe. After the October 2024 fire that destroyed Mnangagwa, His Excellency President Mnangagwa directed us to also prioritize the Glenview Area 8 SMEs complex. Initially, plans were in place to begin construction of proper infrastructure next year. However, in light of the recent fire, we have decided to fast-track the process and commence in September. This is part of the government's commitment to ensure that no one is left behind in our national development agenda. But for us to succeed, we must work together as the United Nations. Mnangagwa reaffirmed the government's support for small businesses and called for national solidarity with affected traders. Harare Mayor Councillor Jacob Mafume pledged full cooperation with the central government and said that 3 temporary trading centers will be made available to accommodate displaced traders during construction, said Mafume. We are going to unite with the government to come up with the beautiful structures. We appreciate the support from President Mnangagwa's administration. We continue to work closely with the Minister of Women Affairs to address such challenges. Toma shoko aripo panguva inoi. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pekupindira kwaita government aiwa pachitiko chinosirisa chonekwa kunzi aiwa kuarea 8 kuGlenview aiwa their complexes were gutted by fire. Pina comment section medu tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.